Hey guys, I wasn't planning on doing another video about climate change, but I cannot make this stuff up, what I just saw here in Tuvalu, and I need to just put the camera down and just talk to you guys about what I've seen because it needs to be heard around the world, okay? So basically it's an island here in the Pacific Ocean, somewhere between Hawaii and Australia. I arrived here today. The airport is literally like 30 meters behind me. It's really cool actually. Every night the kids come and play on the playground. It turns into like a big sporting court for soccer, football, volleyball, rugby, all these local sports as well. And it's a really fun atmosphere. It's like half of the island is literally on the tarmac, on the airport runway. But I just happened to be here during the biggest king tide ever in recorded history of Tuvalu. Today is February 19th, 2019, and it is so bad that the ocean level is literally coming up to the runway of the airport, and the kids are like running around and playing and splashing each other, and I don't think they realize that it's the ocean, that literally they're being drowned. Like, it's not a very populated island, it's about 10,000 people, and I think most of them don't realize that they're literally sinking quickly. So this is all the seawater, and that is the airport runway. So you can see it is almost on the runway now. They say this island is like a sponge because the water just comes up from the bottom, comes up from the ground, and it's really scary because we're on the playground now and someday it's gonna be completely underwater. Climate change has always been a thing that, you know, we talk about and we think that it's so far away in the future, but man, if you don't believe in climate change, come to Tuvalu. I tried making a video in Kiribati to tell you guys about it, how it's sinking there. This was a seawall right there?
Yeah, that was a seawall.
But why is it so small now?
It got washed away by the wave.
Here, it's even worse. It is really alarming, and I just wanted to tell you guys what's happening here because the fact that not many people know about Tuvalu, and also the fact that there are so many people today in this world that don't believe in climate change, whatever your opinions about it are, whether you think it's human created, whether you think it's natural created, whether it's both, it doesn't matter. The fact of the matter is there's people here and they're gonna die if we don't save them. Like, yeah, you guys are in New York, you're in LA, you're in Sydney, you're in Berlin, and you're living your life and it's great, but there's a lot of people here in the Pacific Islands that are really, really, really being threatened right now, and it's scary. I'm just trying to do my job and spread the word that you guys know, at least know about it. Like, look at a map right now and put your finger on Tuvalu and Kiribati and realize that, man, something needs to happen. That's all I want to say. Hope you guys are doing great. Thank you for tuning into my trip. It's been a really fantastic and educational trip here around the Pacific. All right, good night guys, I'm heading to bed. Another day of exploring tomorrow. Good night. I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.